Y'all, we are now, I think, in damn Alabama. Y'all don't ask me why we out here. All I know is we just kept goddamn driving. Right now, we letting Marley use the restroom. And we stopping to stretch a little bit.
My bad, bitch. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. Yeah. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at.
But yeah. So we are in Alabama, almost to Dothan. Almost in Dothan, Alabama. Y'all, gas prices is $2.99 out here. The highest I done seen was shit so crazy. The highest I done seen was $3.17. These damn places to stop at to get gas. We stopped at this one this shoot. Fucking $3.17. Whew. But anyway, everybody right there. Oh, y'all. Right now it's like almost 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm tired. I'm ready to get to wherever the hell we going. We'll see you guys when we get to where we're going. What's up, guys? So we are finally here at our destination, and it's pretty dope. It's pretty dope. We are at Panama City Beach. Our vitamins and everything back where they need to be because nobody has eaten. I'm thrown off, like, seriously. Once we get back from the ocean, once we get back from the beach, then I will most likely do a room tour and take you guys with us to the store. We're gonna go look for a store so that we can, of course, grab some stuff from the store because we didn't bring anything. He didn't want us to bring nothing. So slow down. Baby, we gotta get toothbrushes, we gotta get wash rags, we gotta get soap, we gotta get the whole 9 yards. So that's what we gonna have to do. So I'm gonna bring y'all with me and with us, and yeah, we'll see y'all in a minute. Y'all ready to go walk this beach? Yeah. Y'all ready to go walk this? You ready? Yeah. They ready. We ready. You ready? Yep. Look at these two. She need a shirt on, don't she? Why Marley look like that? My dog look a hot ass mess. Come on.
What you want to put her on?
She could put that on. That. I'm pretty sure she gonna probably want to get in the water. She's like a freaking fish. Anyway, Kylie is like a fish. That's all she does. She loves getting in the water.
I do have some nice places on.
Yeah.
There.
They got us out here at Panama Beach.
I can't be going down the floor.
He is jaywalking across the floor. Come on, Mark.
Thing in my head.
Y'all, they got. Ooh.
Hey, ain't gonna lie, I ain't going too far out there.
I will.
Hey, now I know that. Hey, you ever just get with me?
Yeah.
I will too. I will hope you don't be down. gotta work is like how you be driving your car. But you better not flip.
I'm getting on jet. I'll get on jet.
You know, I supposed to took the socks off. But y'all be like, one of those.
Y'all get on slides. That's different. That's different.
Yeah.
Y'all get on slides.
This shit feel good though.
Yo, hold on, wait. Let me pick this up real quick. This stuff,
This desert, this sea sand.
Mariana, hold on. You need to feel the shit, bro.
We literally walking on the beach with our clothes. Clothes on. We haven't even went into our room yet.
I take my shoes off too. Come on.
Literally. Y'all, this is so beautiful. OMG. I can't wait to wake up in the morning and look outside at the ocean. Look. OMG.
I'm just saying.
I am.
I'm scared. Look down the money. What? This can't.
Marley, get back. Alright. Oh, it's warm. No, don't let her go over here.
No, wow, no, shit, it ain't gonna take her, cause I'll jump out, it ain't so quick.
Charlie, don't you get, don't, alright, don't walk down here. Sit. Sit down. He's talking about so stop being scared. What? Stop. That ocean ain't finna take my baby.
Just get my baby back.
Look at me here.
That's what started taking me.
Ooh, Montana, don't, alright now. There's some quicksand.
It's quicksand.
It's some quicksand to take your ass on.
These morning times, this shit will pull you back.
Like, it started taking me as soon as I got right there. I'm finna sit down, but I'm not finna stand back.
Y'all tripping. I'm finna go in that thing. Yeah.
I'm not going in there.
Good morning, good morning.
Y'all, we finna go in that thing. We finna go in there. We finna go in there. Watch my, but watch this. Wait, should I take my jacket off?
Show my bigger. Why not? Like, why you not going there?
No, I'm going. Hey, y'all, look at this. Oh, look at that shark. Hey, I got her ass. Hey, black folks on bullshit when you say shark, boy.
They trying to take me under.
Come on.
Wait. Hold on. See, they trying to take me under. I need to have evidence of this.
Little scary self. Come on, hold on. All right, take the shoes off. Cause you gonna sink.
Marley, look at Marley on the camera. Marley chasing the camera.
Marley. I am Marley, yeah.
Y'all, Marley is scared of the water. Move. Girl, you getting sand all on me. Y'all, we'll see y'all in a minute.
Bitch, the way you never trophy. But fuck that, right back to the script, cause this a major league. He got bricks, plus his neck and icy, and it matches wrist. Now it's like sick. Told her hit his phone, meet her in the whip, but he ain't go. But he ain't that slow, say meet him at the store. I'm like, cool, let him run his move. Do what he gon' do, cause this the plot. Put him in the pot, let it cook like stew. I grab my Glock, if it do a lot, but it's this you like, no, we at the top. Yeah, we lost a lot, but that's just how it go. But check the scope, if y'all lose one more, that's 6 to 24. Let me focus, can't be zoning out. He pulling up now, he double pop. He ain't getting out, he in that push to start. That new Porsche is built like a horse, colors like a fork. He got a ring, I guess he ain't divorced. Wife probably a whore, now she woke up, she strutting her stuff. This bitch thick as fuck, got in the truck, kissed him on his lip. He cupping up, but now I sneak up, crouching like a tiger, like Snoop off the wire, the block on fire. So I take the cost, mess for Michael White, I'm on his ass, he finna be mad.
Like this shit fine. It's true.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
I don't want to go
Shit good anyway. This shit here, y'all. I'm been busting. Stop busting.
Woo! Let me out.
Woo, man. To this room we go. Having the blast, y'all. Like, for real, for real.
We ain't even got a chance to wash our ass.
Still going in.
Going hard in the paint.
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I've been right by your side since 2005.
Okay, hold up, wait a minute, all good, just a week ago. At my house, we party every weekend, so on the radio, that's my favorite song. Make me bounce around like I don't know, like I won't be here long. Now the thrill is gone, got no patience, cause I'm not a doctor. Go, why is you lying? Girl, why you move faster? Yeah, me casa su casa, got it stripped like Gaza. Got so high on volcanoes, now the flow is so lava. Yeah, we spit that saliva, iPhone got message from Viber. Either the hit is so hydra, or we let bygones be bygones. My God, you pay for your friends, I'll take that as a compliment. Got a house full of homies, why I feel so the opposite. Incompetent ain't the half of it. Saturdays with young lavish, just sad as shit is I'm bad as it. Beats they took from the cabinet. Sorry, I'm just scared of the
Oh. Woo. Y'all, we are finally fucking here en route. Oh. Damn. We're going to pick that up. Whew, y'all, I'm so tired. I just want to take a shower and just. Oh. You said what? What happened? Yeah, so like I said, we have a 3-bedroom condominium on the top floor. And we got a lot of shit to get out the car that we just bought from Walmart that we didn't vlog because my battery was going dead. So I was trying to wait until I got into the condo to vlog so that I know for sure that I'll have enough battery life to show you guys around, give you guys a quick tour of everything. So we're gonna try to figure out how to get everything onto the main floor and up to the room. And once we figure that out, then I'll start back vlogging. Till then, let me figure out how the fuck we're supposed to do this. See you guys in a minute.
Seven floor now.
Yeah, it feels so good in here. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that view.
They don't like the water that high.
Yes. What if the water was that high?
It is that high. It's good level.
We don't even know.
I'll go over here. Gotta walk over here.
I think this one is coming.
We gotta walk over here and go up. They go down and then go.
Oh, it's hot in here. Oh, we gotta go to 3.
Yeah.
Everybody ready?
We on the highest floor?
Nah, we just on the 7th floor right now.
Go. Go on my another house.
That was quick though. Come on. Cause we gotta cross over from 3. I think it's this. Oh. What's up, y'all? So we are back and we are now in our condo in Panama City. Okay, so first things first, you're gonna come in. This of course is the door. Let me turn you around. Little light switch right here. You turn the light off and on. I kind of like it off because it just gives a little vibe, but since I'm showing y'all up, I'm gonna leave it on. You walk in, this is the hallway, very nice, spacious, has, you know, a little lamp or 2 right there, and this beautiful picture. And then you come in. I have a 3-bedroom. So this right here is the first bedroom. It is a this one has 2 twin bunk beds for my boys, and then it has a nice little dresser. Of course, they have their view of the ocean from that side, and then they also can come over here. Oh, this is kind of, see, I can't do, see, kids can do this. They can get in here, but they can come in this closet, nice little walk-in closet, put their stuff in there, and boom. But this is the boys' room here. Very nice, very cool. Damn. So now, next you're gonna come into the other master bedroom. This bedroom right here is going to my oldest daughter. And of course she has a nice big king size bed. She has a big dresser, she can put her clothes, and she has a TV. And also she has a slide-in, walk-in closet in here, which is very, very dope. This is cool. And what's this? Oh wow. So she also has a room to the bathroom as well. So we have 2 bathrooms in this condo, 2 full baths, and yeah, so she can come in here and do her thing in there, and then close herself to the world or whatever. Now we have in here, we have the utility room, and we have washer and dryer. So whenever we go to the beach and we want to wash our clothes and stuff like that, we can bring them here and wash our clothes. I guess this is the little cleanup room or whatever, so we can vacuum and whatever. But yeah, so hallway here. This is the bathroom that I just showed y'all. Nice. It's very big, very huge bathroom. Huge. This right here is us approaching the kitchen area. Okay, nice stainless steel appliances. Very up to date, modern. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Since we are in the resort, we do have things, you know, in here that we can use to cook and clean and all of that good stuff. So we have the dishwasher here. Oh my goodness, this is so, OMG, baby, yes. Yes, it's giving me life, giving me life. Okay, so now we're in the dining room area. We have bar stools over there. Nice, big, huge, beautiful picture. The kitchen table. This is our huge living room. Which I'm gonna turn the fan on, which we can also sit in and watch some good old TV. The couches are very comfortable. Y'all see all this stuff on the floor is because we were just bringing all this stuff in. Don't worry about that. But this is also our balcony. You can get to this balcony from each side. You can get to this balcony from the living room area, which we also have a table on here, and we also can see very much the beach and everything else around it. And y'all, say what's up to YouTube, y'all. What's up? All right, so the kids are sitting outside and chilling right now. I don't know why these things are open. Don't know. Don't care, but yeah, I'm letting the kids do what they do. They play with their stuff. It's okay with me. So walking into the master bedroom, this is going to be my room. First things first, you see we have a walk-in closet here, which y'all see the pillows and stuff are in here. The ironing board. Blase, blase. Over here is the bathroom, which I love. It is so beautiful. Y'all check this freaking bathroom out. Beautiful, beautiful shower. Y'all, this is amazing. Like, y'all just don't understand how bad I needed this vacation, and this was just like the perfect getaway. And I'm in love with this place. I will be dropping the location that I'm at once we leave here. So in case you guys do want to go ahead and book this, if you ever come to Panama City, then I mean, hey, by all means, I give it a 10 out of 10. Nice king size bed. Of course, you know I got my TV, big old mirror in case I want to check myself out before we go anywhere. I also can access my balcony through the bedroom, and like I said, I have two lawn chairs here, and I can also see the ocean from my bedroom. The view is amazing. I'm not sure if this camera is catching everything, but the view is amazing. I don't know if y'all can hear them yelling down there, but that's our pool to the condos. We also have a tiki bar. We have the pool, hot tub, and a what was that? Goodness, what was it? Some type of it was some type of, y'all don't get me the line. I forgot what it was. It was one more thing, but it's so hot. I'm tired. I don't feel like really going and finding everything right now. As y'all can see, I look hot and bothered because I am hot and bothered, and I need to cool off and get in the shower and create a new me. Basically, we just basically packed up everything. Well, we didn't pack up anything. My fiance was just like, babe, do y'all want to get out and do something? And I was, of course, like, yeah. So he was just like, I got a surprise for y'all. And he brought us here, and we are like, and we are enjoying ourselves so much. We are loving it. We woke up on the beach. Y'all, I really I'm tired. I'm exhausted. This heat has been kicking my ass, but I really need to take a shower, get myself rejuvenated, and then I'm gonna hop back on this camera. I do need to take a nap because I'm tired as fuck. I need to take a nap. I really need to take a nap. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take a nap, play with the kids for a little bit, and gonna unbox my new laptop with you guys, basically to help invest in me and my dreams of becoming a up-and-coming YouTuber. So if you guys have made it this far into this video, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel, and yeah, help your girl out. Like, y'all just don't understand. This is something that I've been wanting to do for many years, and I finally just started like really putting YouTube serious on my to-do list. So y'all, I'm just gonna say this: like, comment, and subscribe. I'm finna take a nap because I'm exhausted, and I'm gonna get our stuff out of these bags, and I'm gonna show y'all everything from my laptop, the shoes that we got, everything that we got from the store, since I wasn't able to vlog in the store because I was just out of it. I'm gonna show y'all everything if the kids haven't already opened up everything. But I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog so far. I am going to show you guys a lot more of the beach. We probably go for a walk on the bridge, yeah, and walk the strip. I mean, hey, go to the pool, because I did get a lot of stuff for the kids, like for the pool and stuff. So yeah, I definitely do want them to go to the pool and enjoy themselves. Yeah, so I'm going to holler at y'all in a minute. Y'all, I love this mirror. Just look at it. This mirror is so freaking cute. I really need to take this out of here and take this to the house with me. But yeah, so I'm gonna holler at y'all in a minute.
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005.
Okay, hold up, wait a minute, all good just a week ago. At my house, we party every weekend, so on the radio, that's my favorite song. Make me bounce around like I don't know, like I won't be here long. Now the thrill is gone, got no patience, cause I'm not a doctor. Go, why is you lying? Why you Mufasa? Yeah, me casa su casa. Got it stripping like Gaza. Got so high on volcanoes. Now the flow is so lava. Yeah, we spit that saliva. iPhone got message from Viber. Either the hit is so hydra or we let bygones be bygones. My God, you pay for your friends. I'll take that as a compliment. Got a house full of homies. Why I feel so the opposite. Incompetent ain't the half of it. Saturdays with young lavish. The saddest shit is I'm bad as it beats they took from the cabinet. Sorry, I'm just scared of the future. Till 2005, I got your back when you do this. Hold up.
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005. Hold up.
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 Hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005. Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up. Hold up. Tonight, girl, why you move?
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005.
Okay, hold up, wait a minute, all good, just a week ago. At my house, we party every weekend, so on the radio, that's my favorite song. Make me bounce around like I don't know, like I won't be here long. Now the thrill is gone, got no patience, cause I'm not a doctor. Go, why is you lying? Girl, why you Mufasa? Yeah, me casa su casa, got it stripping like Gaza. Got so high on volcanoes, now the flow is so lava. Yeah, we spit that saliva, iPhone got message from Viber. Either the hit is so hydra, or we let bygones be bygones. My God, you pay for your friends, I'll take that as a compliment. Got a house full of homies, why I feel so the opposite. Incompetent ain't the half of it. Saturdays with young lavish. The saddest shit is I'm bad as it beats they took from the cabinet. Sorry, I'm just scared of the future. Till 2005, I got your back when you do this. Hold up.
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side.
So I tried to give y'all a view of the balcony, but the weather is so humid outside that it fogged up my camera. So I'll just most likely just clip in bits and pieces of the balcony. Let me see. So cut this in. Maya, you good? Come on, Kyle. So guys, I'm going to be ending this vlog off after I do the unboxing of my gift from Bay, and then yeah, I'm gonna call it the end of the vlog. I'm gonna end it like that. I really don't know how to end vlogs, but I'm still learning. So I'm gonna end the vlog off after I do the unboxing of my package. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is our first trip to Panama, so tomorrow I have some things planned, some things that we're going to do. I'm also going to vlog that, so just be looking out for that vlog next. And yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. Anyway, it's your girl Nina Monet, Diary of Nina. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe.
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005.
Okay, hold up, wait a minute, all good, just a week ago. At my house, we party every weekend, so on the radio, That's my favorite song. Make me bounce around like I don't know, like I won't be here long. Now the thrill is gone. Got no patience, cause I'm not a doctor. Go, why is you lying? Girl, why you move faster? Yeah, me casa su casa. Got it strip it like Gaza. Got so high on volcanoes. Now the flow is so lava. Yeah, we spit that saliva. iPhone got message from Viber. Either the hit is so hydra or we let bygones be bygones. My God, you pay for your friends. I'll take that as a compliment. Got a house full of homies. Why I feel so the opposite. Incompetent ain't the half of it. Saturdays with young lavish. The saddest shit is I'm bad as hippies they took from the cabinet. Sorry, I'm just scared of the future. Till 2005, I got your back when you do this. Hold up.
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005. Hold up.
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 Hold up. Hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005. Hold up.
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 You lying. Girl, why you move
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005.
Okay, hold up, wait a minute, all good just a week ago. At my house, we party every weekend, so on the radio, that's my favorite song. Make me bounce around like I don't know, like I won't be here long. Now the thrill is gone, got no patience, cause I'm not a doctor. Go, why is you lying? Girl, why you move faster? Yeah, me casa su casa. Got it strip it like Gaza. Got so high on volcanoes, now the flow is so lava. Yeah, we spit that saliva. iPhone got message from Viber. Either the hit is so hydra or we